Hey guys, it's Rachel here. Apologize for the gap in videos. It is just about to the end of craft show season, so we've got two left. But today I wanted to come on and make a quick card with you. But before I get into that, what I would like to do is recap all the things going on at Shiny Silver Treasures website. My friend Dawn has her Black Friday sale is going on, and this coupon code is only going to be available on the shinysilvertreasures.com site. Um, it is BLACKFRIDAY 10, which spells Black Friday 10. That is all one word. And again, this coupon code can only be used at www.shinysilvertreasures.com. So her Black Friday sale is underway. You get 10% with this code off of your entire order. The sale for the previous collections, and I think a lot of these are starting to sell out. So if you have any interest in any of the kits, go take a look at her website. But the ones that have been on sale from now through the 30th, so you've got about another week, give or take, in getting the vintage treasures, floral treasures, nature's treasures, festive treasures, and autumn spice. These are five of her previous collections. And also, before I forget, sorry, I know there's going to be some static. Also, going on through Christmas, if you have orders that are £5 or more, then you get a free pack of foiled sentiments. The Black Friday sale runs from today. It's been on sale, I believe, from midnight the 24th, and it will end on midnight the 27th. So if you want to take advantage of the 10% off of your entire sale, and this doesn't overshadow the 25% off of Floral, Nature's Festive, Autumn Spice, and the Vintage packs. Those are already coded in the website for you. Excuse me, they're already coded in the website for you at 25% off, so there's no coupon code needed for those. She is also putting out newsletters to showcase things that are new to her website. She has a silicone mat. She has all kinds of stuff. I'm trying to remember. I got the email and I meant to print it off before I did this, but I forgot. So, in any case, she has all kinds of new fun stuff out on her shop. She doesn't just sell card making supplies, she sells all kinds of things. I believe there are some jewelry making supplies. There's diamond art kits that she has available on her site. The that silicone mat, and then, like I said, all the other things that are new, they will be listed. She is also still selling handmade wooden items. She has some wooden pens, I believe, for sure, are still available on her website. Her friend Rachel has made gorgeous, gorgeous pens. And just to showcase, where's my pen? I bought one when I got a scrunchie from her daughter Lucy as well. So her daughter also has scrunchies, and there might still be time to get supplies, or not supplies, I'm sorry, little gift items from her site if you have crafters in your family, or if you have people that like collecting pens. Here it is. This was handmade and then assembled, and it writes really smooth. I use this all the time. I used it to do my little cheater notes. So writes really smooth, and I believe you can refill it. And this was multi layers of the different colors of the wood, smoothed down and shaped into, it's almost like an hourglass shape. So really, really well made pens. There may be other wooden items that she still has available that her friend has supplied to her website. So definitely go check out the handmade pens and Lucy Scrunchie. All the proceeds from her daughter Lucy's scrunchies will support her college. So that I definitely didn't want to forget to mention. So anything and everything, like I said, that is still available on her website, if it's still available for purchase, it will be there. So And if you haven't already, she has her newsletters, like I had just mentioned. Her newsletters are up and running, and they will be coming out as and when she has any information available for upcoming sales, current sales, any promotions, coupon codes, or anything like that. So if you haven't signed up for that, definitely take advantage of that. And again, the website is www.shinysilvertreasures.com. And the previous collection sale goes now through the 30th. I don't think I mentioned that. It was available from the 1st through the 30th. So even when the special code for Black Friday ends, these items will still be on sale for 25% off. So I think that takes care of the business. And quick shout out to Christine, was the lucky recipient of the gift card that was available from Dawn as a thank you to use during Black Friday weekend. She won the 25-pound gift card. So, Christine, I'm sure you have fully enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing what you make with the goodies. And if you don't know, it's Christine's Cards and Things. She is here on YouTube. So she makes all kinds of fantastic stuff. So you're interested in seeing what the gift card winner can make, definitely go check out her channel. She is also part of the design team. So all of the websites, the social media platforms that Dawn is on, as well as all the other gals on the design team, that will be listed down in the description box below. So definitely go show these gals some love and support. Make sure to like and subscribe for them and help support their channel. They are all amazingly talented. So I can never say that enough. So it is always so much fun, and it is always a huge challenge in keeping up with these ladies with how many gorgeous pieces that they make. And it's not just cards; they make all kinds of crafts and things like that. So, like I said, go support Dawn and the gals on the design team. They're here on Instagram, Facebook, um, here on YouTube, and I think that's the only platforms that I'm aware of that they're all on. So you got a lot of options to go check out what they can do. All right, and in the meantime, let's get into the quick card I wanted to make. Hey guys, I just need to make a quick correction. So I'm doing a voiceover. The paper collection I'm using in this video today is actually the Bright Treasures, not the Floral. I believe I had called it Floral Treasures by mistake. So I just wanted to correct that so you weren't confused. This is not one of the ones that is on sale. She may be sold out of that. I'm not entirely sure. However, the kits that are on sale for 25% off are Vintage, Floral Natures, Autumn Spice, and Festive Treasures, which I know I had mentioned that in the earlier part of this video, but I just wanted to repeat it since I was here. So Bright Treasures is the one that I am using, and it is not part of the sale. And again, if you are shopping her website during Black Friday, you will also use that code to get an additional 10% off your entire order. That was Black Friday 10, one word. So, and since I am here editing to spare you from the endless waffling I can get into, I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of this video where I'm making the card on speed up like I normally do, because with getting the information to you that you guys needed to have, that this video was originally like almost a half an hour, and that's just a lot. So I'm going to leave you guys here, so enjoy the rest of the video. Like I said, be safe, take care if you guys are out running around, getting those bargains, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.